This is a Maco 300 NOS, basically brand new out of the box, never been tampered with. It is absolutely fully original, driven by a Cobra 29 LTD Classic, going into a 2500 watt dry dummy load. It's on a 20 watt scale. Dead keen about 3.5, going to about 9 watts. Put on the 2 kilowatt scale. On the low side, average. Looks like it's keying about 250, going to about 350. Peak. Going to about 300. Around 450. High side. Dead key in about 450. Going to about 750. Peak. Dead key in about 500. Going to about 1250. Audio. Almost 1300.